And so, why equals mc squared in particular? Well, because equals mc squared can be used for so many things, including efficient energy gathering.
Also, you didn't say if we send like 1 billion people to this planet, 1 billion. No, you have to say that.
But we can't send one.
If asteroid fall here.
We can't just send 1 billion people to another planet.
No,
rockets don't work that way.
50 years from today. Say it.
Yeah, but it's going to take much longer to terraform planets like
Say
Venus.
100 years
or
then.
settle.
Say 100 years.
What about just be realistic?
Mishuka already said that.
Are we going to go to Jupiter?
No, say it. Just say it.
Oh, Dad. Let's be realistic here. Just get to the point, Dad.
It's a dream.
Let's get to the point. Not say ba.
Can you say it?
We need
That
to.
asteroid hit it, and then the other human over there, so they can continue the.
Okay, yeah. That's what I'm trying to say already.
Go ahead.
And so, even if Earth gets struck by an asteroid, humanity will live on in the form of humanity on other terrestrial planets. And so, that is why we need an insurance policy.
No, you say I have a plan. I have a 50-year long plan. So what I will do? I will.
You can't.
Hold on, that's your plan. I will have.
Do you know how many people 1 billion people is?
Okay.
The U.S. is doesn't even 1 billion.
Look. You say I have a plan. I'm gonna choose at least 8 outright planets. I'm gonna terraform their atmosphere.
You can't just terraform like that. It takes thousands of years.
Say it.
And we don't. No, Dad. The haters will find any way to criticize, I tell you. And they're also going to encroach on the realisticness of my scenarios. They will encroach on anything they want, okay? So be realistic, okay?
You cannot have dream.
Well, then you have to say it's a dream. But we are acting like it's real. It's for reality. We're going to take an entire China and send them to the moon. Imagine, so Dad, you want to send the entire population of the U.S. to the moon? You think that's feasible?
Not 50 years from today, but 100 years from today.
Oh yeah, the U.S. is only 350 million people. What if we send 3 U.S.s to the moon? Is that really feasible? The moon doesn't have the living space or the resources or the environment for 1/8 of the entire population, and so much could go wrong. If lots of people die there, then we are going to absolutely have destroyed.
So yeah, I mean, if we are moving, we are making transition from 0 type civilization to type 1 civilization, and if we make that possible,
We are not a type 0 civilization.
Capture the planetary energy. If we do have the planetary energy, then we will probably be able to terraform.
That takes centuries, Dad, not just 50 years, 100 years. I'm not going to be around 100 years later. So.
But it doesn't. We don't have. It doesn't cost.
Let's stop debating and just.
That's right. It doesn't cost anything to dream, right?
Well, Dad, let's stop debating and be real, because I told you the critics will find anything.
Okay, I give up.
Ah, nice. All right. So.
Oh, I didn't give up. Oh, okay, sure.
You didn't lose. You merely failed to win.
Oh, shit. Jesus.